The way they prove it is the person snitches on themselves. Our Supreme Court has been pretty hard on this. Somebody admitting to smoking very recently with the smell of it, with a joint in the ashtray or ashes on the front of their shirt, they've said that's enough. I don't agree with that at all. Not in the least bit, because if you start getting under the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, training manuals, until you get to that DRE, drug recognition expert level, you shouldn't be able to say with any level of confidence using an objective test whether or not someone's impaired. And by the way, these DRE tests are not something you can perform on the side of the road. This is to be done in a very controlled environment by a very trained individual. And you don't see that anymore. Or, well, you don't see it anymore. You don't see it very often. There are a handful of police officers in the state that I know of that are DRE certified, and the chances of you running across one of them are very slim to none. And again, you're going to run into the same thing. The officer's going to ask you if you are impaired. If you say, yeah, I'm impaired, or, I just took a Xanax and I'm telling you, I ain't quite feeling myself.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
you're admitting to being impaired at that point. Alcohol, for example, is a perfectly legal substance. Just like when you go to get that Xanax through a prescription, you go to the pharmacy, you got it in the bottle. It says Joey Franks on the side of it. You have it in the car, you take it as prescribed, and it says may cause drowsiness, dizziness, may impair one's ability to operate equipment. And you take it and you get in that fender bender and say nobody's hurt or anything like that, you could very well be on the hook for a DUI first offense. And that gets to be more common, frankly, amongst the older crowd, because they're the ones that I find on more medications and things like that.